Damn. I pray this piece freaking work for it. I hope so. From the looks of it, I am going to say no. But let's hope that it fits. Let's hope that it fits. Where is my I just had the piece too. Where'd I put it? Right here. Like this. Knife. Oh, I need to pop the trunk. I think I got a knife in the trunk. Grab my coffee because, you know, coffees are essential. Alright, so pretty much we're on a stock charge pipe, as you can see. But I lost the clamp for it, which is this piece right here. And yeah, so pretty much anytime I hit boost or whatever, it just slides right off. Then you get the driver malfunction and all of that, which we don't want. So I went to AutoZone, picked up one of these. I don't know if it will fit, but it's a what is this? I think it's a 2-inch to a 3.5-inch coupler. I'm gonna try to put this on, see if it fits. If not, then I'm gonna just use these rings from it, and hopefully that holds. Because you see all that the whole charge pipe is off right now. I'm gonna take all of this off, that way you guys can see it, but it's off right now, which is no good. Can't hold boost, can't do anything. And yeah, we're just gonna try to fix this. So put this right here. I always take this off because, you know, just to get out the way. Makes life so much easier. Just take this off right here. Boom. Just twist it up like so. Make sure you guys don't lose your screws. But now we're gonna take off the intake. Just pop this up. Pull that back. Move it out the way. You guys can actually take this off. It's a bitch. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna leave it on, because it was a bitch to put back on. But let me show you. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but if you look down there, the whole charge pipe, which is this pipe right there, is off of the MI Rode microphone. So this came off. Yeah, that piece is just off of the whole pipe right here. So I'm gonna try to fix that today. So right now we're off the GoPro. You guys can get a better look at it. You see the whole charge pipe right here. It's supposed to be connected to that, but since I have no none of these and clamps on it, it just slides right off. So I bought this from AutoZone. Like I said, I'm gonna see if this fits. If not, then I'm just gonna use the clamps from it and see if that fits. But let's find out. It's I think it's 3-inch. Let me put this on first. See how far back that goes. If I gotta take off the charge pipe, I'm probably not gonna do that. Just because it's annoying to put back on. Which side should I put on? I'll put on this. There we go. Oh, bitch. There we go. just tighten this. Good to go. All right, boom. So we got the piece on. So you can see, it took me a little while, but hopefully this holds. Like I said, I got this from AutoZone. I think I paid $10, or no, it was like $20 for this piece. And I think it's a 2.5 inch to 3 inch. Let me see. Connects to, yeah, 3 inch to 2.5. But like I said, hopefully this holds. But let me just throw this piece back on, and then let's see. Alright, everything's back in. As you can see, we got the piece right there. A little coupler. Let's see if she holds the boost. Alright, she's idling a little better. Now mind you, I can't do no Sport Plus or Sport because of this right here. I need to put air in the tires, and then it allows me to go into Sport. But from what it sounds like right now, you know, it's idling much better than before. Before, anytime I would start it up, it would idle funny, and I think that was because there was a leak in the charge pipe. But that's only because I didn't have the clamp on. But now, like I said, I went to AutoZone. I got that part, which was the coupler joint. So, and I think that was it said it was a 3 inch to 2.5. So I put the 2.5 inch on the non charge pipe, whatever the hell that piece is, and then the 3.5 to the charge pipe. And let's just see if it holds boots. All right, or I mean, I'm just gonna let the car warm up a little bit because she hasn't been driven in a minute, and plus it is still cold, as you can see right there. We're gonna clear that check engine light too, but that's gonna be in a different video. And yeah, so just stick around. We're gonna do a little pull in this parking lot though, nothing too crazy because I can't take this out on the street. It is not registered, nor does it have insurance on it. So we're just gonna chill in this parking lot for a little bit and see what it does. All right, so like I said, I put it in Sport, but it's just gonna hop out of Sport once I start driving because I have no air in the tires. I have a spare, what do you call it, tire inflator in the back of my trunk. So I'm gonna put some air in it and hopefully, you know, it will hold. But there's like a crack in one of the rims. I forgot which one it was. It might be the driver rear, the left rear tire, but there's definitely a crack in one of the rims, which is why I'm losing air. And yeah, that's that. But anyway, we're gonna give it some small little pulls just to see if this coupler holds boost. So let's give it a little rip. Just a little bit. Not too crazy. Oh shit. Can I make this? We're gonna take it out this gate real quick. I ain't got no plates on the car though, but from the looks of it, it's holding boost. I should move my car though. Because like I said, we ain't got no insurance or any of that. Got the boys right there too. put her back in the thing. Hell yeah, I'm gonna put her back because the cops are right there. Just waiting to catch somebody. Like I said, I ain't got no plates on the car, no insurance or any of that. One more time. That's enough. She's smelling funny. Rich. Damn. Damn. Sir, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys want to see up in the next couple of videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.